The video title is Taiwan, the United States, and China. Navigating Political Dynamics. In this exploration of cross-strait relations, we delve into the complex political landscape involving the United States and China. Now let's break it down. Number 1. Taiwan. Status. Taiwan is a self-governing island with its own government, military, and constitution. Looking at cross-strait relations, these interactions between Taiwan and mainland China are influenced by historical, cultural, and political factors. There is one China policy. In this case, China asserts that Taiwan is an integral part of its territory under the One China policy. Despite pressure from China, Taiwan maintains unofficial relations globally. Number 2. United States. Support for Taiwan. The US backs Taiwan's democracy, security, and economic development. Taiwan serves as strategic partner in the Indo-Pacific region, providing a democratic model and intelligence sharing. The US-China relationship involves cooperation and competition, with Taiwan at the center of territorial disputes. Number 3. China. China emphasizes national unity and views Taiwan as a sensitive issue. Military posture. China conducts military exercises near Taiwan and considers it a core interest. China pressures countries to avoid official diplomatic relations with Taiwan. We shall conclude this topic after just a minute or so, as we amaze ourselves onto this amazing Taipei skyline, streets, and food. In summary, the political dynamics surrounding Taiwan involve a delicate balance between sovereignty, regional stability, and global interests. The US plays a pivotal role in maintaining peace while managing relationships with both Taiwan and China. In this topic, we were looking at what's happening rather than providing a point of view. Now again, let's delve into the scenic amazing skyline across Taipei and Taiwan. What an amazing fresh catch! Let's have it prepared. And we pass through one local market. We see these two ladies engrossed over a phone. This is the day-to-day streets of Taipei, beyond the topic we just discussed. The point really being everything just as normal as anywhere else. So is the walk along the stalls of fresh cooking yummy street foods.